3 years, that's a long time. In those 3 years, we've uploaded 240 videos, we've got over 28,000 subscribers, and we've amassed more than 2.7 million views across all of those videos. We've also been active on Instagram that whole time, granted much longer than 3 years, but in that period we have posted more than 5,500 posts. We post dozens of stories daily. We have over 188,000 followers at the time of recording this video, and we have tens of millions of views across all posts. So as you can imagine, this channel gets quite a bit of attention, and we're quite busy, and we aim to bring you the best content possible. Speaking of which, we've brought you some exclusive brands and products, including Stiana Gloss, exclusive product lines from Turtle Wax, including their ceramic hybrid range, and of course, more recently we've introduced Arva of Norway, a pressure washer manufacturer coming over here to the UK. And on top of all of that, we bring you regular interviews, product reviews, tutorials, event coverage, and much more. All of that will continue in the years to come. So at this point then, you may be wondering, what is the purpose of this video? Well, I'd like to say a big thank you to all of you viewers and subscribers, all of the manufacturers and resellers, and I'd also like to give a couple of special shout outs for some guys that covered for me earlier this year. Specky McSporran, Pyramid Car Care, and Valet Pro. If you've not checked those guys out, make sure you do. I'll put a link to their channels in the description below. So be sure to stick around, we've got a lot more coming to you over the next few years, hopefully bringing you bigger and better content. As always, thanks to you guys for watching us. Let us know in the comments below what would you like to see, and hopefully we'll see you next week.